you excited? I know that I am. Woo! Let's have a good day today. Yes, Isabel? Oh, thanks. Here, have some basic trash or whatever it is. Yeah. Have a fun day out there, because I know you're gonna have to do that thing and another thing and stuff. That's stuff. Yes. Hi! Yeah, I'm back! You guys are gonna welcome me back? Yeah! Yeah, you are. I'm back. I'm back. I see you. I see you. Hi, I'm Eggman Elmo, and I've come back to see this new island. Where are you living here? What is this place? Who are you? And what kind of animals are we looking for? Well, Eggman Elmo, if you'll get out of the camera, of course. As you can see, there's an empty plot here. But don't worry. We'll go find out some animals, see who's living, who's happy. Also, I moved the bugs that used to be the bug area. I'm gonna move it over there because I'm gonna decorate that place over there. Because Bunny Lane is gonna have to be somewhere else. And as for this stuff, this is basically museum stuff, but why am I collecting it? I don't know. Because we can. Yeah. Oh yeah, you wanna fry me? You wanna fry me? Get in my pocket. I caught a cricket. Whatever you. Come on, Eggman Elmo. We're going on a freaking trip and the stuff. You bought a stovetop, did you? What if I did? They're gonna take over! They work for the Kabaxis! The Kabaxis haven't done anything yet. Well, besides Kabaxi and his girlfriend, they're just standing outside the residential service. And we're gonna have to talk about Tom Nook about that. Hello! Good gravy. What are you doing here? My gosh. How can I help you out today? Hey, this weirdo right here, he wants to go flying. I want to fly! Because we're allowed to go flying today. Because we're gonna go look for some animals! I heard. And it does look like you got Nook Miles tickets on you. That's good to hear, I guess. So where do you want to go? What do you think? Nook Miles ticket. 4 of them, I think. Yes, 4 of them. We have 4. Let's go. Okay, we're using the tickets today. I'll get you in the sky this minute. You all packed? Tools all ready? Time for takeoff. Let's go! Alright, let's get you airborne and out of my freaking airport. Well, then we got another special guest on this freaking trip. Another. Who got out of jail this time? Never been in jail in my life. The only thing I've been in is a freaking closet. And I survived that closet fire, I'll tell you what. A closet fire? And I was saying to oh. Man, what what you doing here, man? Why are you here, man? It ain't time for the movies or whatever nonsense you doing here for.
I'm not a movie star. You crazy?
I'll tell you what, man. If we don't get the perfect animal of these 4 tribes, we're gonna get a mystery animal, and you know how Sonic feels about mystery animals. Anyways, we are 2 down, Dark of the Crocodile, Delta Oscar is go. You want my home pan here, get in touch with me too, Trail, but we'll check the bees, chop the trees, yeah, man.
How come you say you're not saying your funny new catchphrase?
It's not funny. It's just backwards.
Whatever! Money Rock Island, Sonic!
You don't say, you don't look a hippo. Oh, I'm so happy to be here.
See ya! I'll take that. I'll eat that. Delicious and nutritious for you. Take that fish. Oh, really? You know, we're gonna dip. I'll show you how to dip. Wow! Getting all these rocks. These rocks are mine now. All your rocks belong to us. We're just the Eggman Empire, apparently. I still have to support that because I'm technically an Eggman.
You're just a different Eggman from what you live from.
You're not wrong.
Well, Money Rock Island down. And, attempt number 1 ain't so hot.
It wasn't hot to begin with because I already knew it was gonna happen. Also, did we connect that centipede before?
Well, we can't now.
Eggman Elmo, look what you did! We're getting one. At least one.
Check out it, Eggman Elmo. Why do we always bring you to these trips?
You don't always bring me because I appear when I want to appear. Oh, there's not enough room in my wallet. I don't know. What about you guys? You got enough room in your wallet?
I'll show you room. I'll show you plenty of room. There you go.
Excellent. Now you gotta collect all of these. There you go. What do we do it again? Oh yeah. This one's next.
Don't mess it up.
I would never.
Messes it up anyways.
You distracted me now because I like what you did.
Ah, you suck.
Japan, I have another one. I came prepared. I didn't come prepared. I'm here. I got my preparedness. I know it's a crappy one, but we're gonna deal with it. Yeah. Are you here? You want to find me? I didn't think so. Yeah.
There you go. Happy day. Let's get out of here.
Incident! Woo! I'm jumping! Also, did we get this creature so far, Sonic?
I don't know, you missed.
She's doing it! I call it Prawn Skater. It's mine now, you can't have it. Putting it in the second person's house once you get them.
Another place with a dud, huh? Cool. I don't want to know what a water ring is, but I know we listen to some flamenco music when we get back. Oh yeah, man.
Ready to go, let's get out of here while we still can. Yeah.
Alright, man, I hear that. Yeah, man.
You didn't read out! What's wrong with you?
I didn't feel like it today. How about that?
I see. Probably put this money away, shouldn't we?
Probably just put those seashells away, huh?
No! They're on a secret project. We need them!
Man, I'll tell you what, man. This rain ain't good for my feathers, man. I don't think this umbrella's even covering my head. Well, I cover my backside, I'll tell you what. Freaking umbrellas. Useless things.
It's a mouse! We got no use for a mouse!
No use for a mouse, huh? Cool. Let's dip. Listen to surf rock and the stovetop one's a beach towel. I don't know what kind of request is that, but man, we dipping. We're most definitely dipping. We're dipping to the cosmos. Let's go. Yeah, man, I'll tell you what, we dipping into the cosmos. Let's go.
Let's go home.
Alright. Island number 2 with a bust. Let's dip. Got nothing else to do. Yeah, man.
You're not wrong there, Dodo Bird.
What is wrong with you?
A lot of things. Don't question it.
I sort of think rainy days aren't good to go animal hunting, I'll tell you what.
It basically wasn't raining on our island, it wasn't raining out here.
Yeah, I mean, you know, I don't even know, man. Tell you what. Go chuck the bees, catch the trees, do what you gotta do. Hey, look at this grasshopper right there. Go catch that thing.
Never! It's another duck! We don't need a duck.
We definitely don't need a duck. So about that grasshopper. You ain't gonna catch it?
No, where would I?
Sad to say. Too bad for you. I already caught it.
The stovetop got a stethoscope. Where'd you get that? Wilbur?
I don't know, probably from the doctor. Even though they don't need a doctor because they're not freaking a medical patient.
I'm ready to go home.
Yes, dip.
We're ready!
Alright, lifting up November, Oscar, Whisker, Delta. Let's dip. Going dipping. Third island was another bust. Tell you what, man, these island hopping is bad.
Got one last ticket left, Sonic. You sure me how coming along today wasn't a good idea?
You're the one that wanted to freaking hang around today.
You're not wrong. But what's to say we can't have a good animal?
I don't know. Waterfall Island. I'll tell you what, last time we had Waterfall Island, we found friggin' Hopkins. The other good island we found Cranston. What kind of hamburger look find here? I don't know. Maybe a dud. You never know, man. Never know.
Never know. Woo! Never mind. There's a blue cow. Run for your life.
Alright, hear that. Why do you have a mixing bowl? You ain't freaking cooking nothing. What's the matter with you? Stove top. Put that thing down. Anyway, we're leaving everything behind. So yeah, let's dip.
Let's dip and never come back and never see the blue cow again. I think the freaking what you call it? What you call it is?
Why are you looking at me? What? Do you think I know the answer?
You know all the answers. You're a smart fox.
It's a red herring, if that's what kind of freaking answer you're looking for.
Yes. And no, at the same time. You know what I think? I think we're gonna go look for a mystery animal. Let's go.
You know how I feel about mystery animals.
Huh, well, look at this. We have a visitor at the campsite. Right. About that.
Who are you? What are you? What do you want? We're kind of busy at the moment. You're a black hamster? Cute. Bye.
He doesn't mean that he dipped. Eggman Elmo.
What? I can't help it. He's not part of a roster. But Cranston is. Yeah. Ah, yes. Ah, yes. But hey, look, more pink flowers. Isn't that great, Sonic?
Yeah, but it's not enough. Oh, hey, would you look at that?
Goose. We're getting the chicken named Goose. You thrilled about that, Sonic?
Absolutely not. Get out of here, Eggman Elmo.
Ah, fine, I'll go.
I mean, out of here.
Ah, fine, I'll go. Well, that's my opinion, yeah.
Wrong house, Eggman Elmo.
Yeah.